Welcome back to another video. Here again, guys, do another video for you guys. It's another house tour. It's an open house. We're gonna go inside, see what's going on. This house is actually for sale, so we don't know what the aesthetic is as yet. We're gonna go in and we're gonna find out. Nat's behind the camera, Dem's in front of the camera, Marvel over there with the kids, Malika, Malia, and Zuri. Come along, guys, let's go inside, find out a little bit more about this house and see if we can talk to the realtor as well. Now, in case you guys are new here, this house is located in Grande Prairie, Alberta, which is a small town of probably 70,000, located 5 hours north of Edmonton in the beautiful province of Alberta. All right, so come along, guys.
We have everything.
Mis amigos. Let's go.
Hello. Oh, you have extra cutie pies.
Yeah, we brought the entire family.
Love it.
Come on, Zori. Come on in, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, this is Anna.
Hi.
Anna is a real estate agent here in Grande Prairie for looking to get your house, right?
Yes.
Do you do rentals too?
No.
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 If you're looking to buy your house. Yeah. So what do we got going on here?
2 bathroom and half bath house.
3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath.
Yeah, 2.5 bath. Yeah, well, I've got an info sheet over here actually for you. We've got it priced at $280, and it was built in 2006.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, built in 2006, going for 280,000. Right now we're standing in the kitchen, right? And my impression is this is a nice kitchen so far.
Yes.
Yeah, let's look around for this.
The dark cabins are coming back.
Yeah.
Coming back.
I love it. So you got your stainless steel appliances,
You can have that.
and you got your pantry.
That's okay. What are you gonna do?
When was this listed, Anna?
It's about 5 days on market.
5 days on market,
6 days
okay.
on market. Good job. Here you go. Have a napkin too, just in case.
Guys, if it is that you're interested in this beautiful house, you're gonna have to reach out to Anna because the goal is to get this sold immediately.
Yes.
Right? And the Andersons recommend it. Okay. Let's go upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. Okay, so the living room seems very nice. The flooring is really nice. It looks pretty modern, like it's been done or renovated recently, or just kept in really good condition. That's good. The lighting is A1. We're all about lighting. Perfect for vlogging. And the space is decent for I'd say a family of 4, family of 5. Okay, so we're going upstairs. There's pretty decent.
Yeah, so it's all new flooring, which is really nice.
Yeah, that's what I noticed too. So we have 2 bedrooms beside each other and 1 across.
Yes.
And I'm guessing one of these rooms has bathroom inside.
Yeah, the master here. You
Okay. Nice, Anna.
I think it's perfect for a family. It's close to schools, parks, walking trails. I think it's a perfect starter home. Honestly,
Yeah.
the price is there.
Okay.
And it's newer, you know, so maintenance is not such a huge worry.
And again, guys, the price is just $280,000 negotiable. Okay.
Yeah, always, always.
So this is a smaller bedroom.
Yeah.
I see they use it as a playroom.
Yeah.
Perfect for kids.
They're totally okay with painting if, you know, a buyer doesn't like the orange, but maybe someone likes it. Maybe they've got a little girl or boy that loves orange.
Yeah.
Who knows, right?
Okay, so this would definitely be a kid's room. Yeah, space is not that large as the other rooms. Yeah. It's pretty decent still. And again, my opinion is you can just buy this house and live in it immediately.
Oh.
There's not much work to be done.
No, it's in good shape.
This is nice.
Right? They did a really good job.
And you got your main bathroom.
Got a nice big tub in there, got some tile, dark cabinets again, which continues on in the whole
Bathrooms.
house. Yeah.
Okay. Sliding doors, so that's good.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about curtains,
Right.
especially the one that sticks to your body.
Nice walk-in closet there, which is
Oh yeah, this is good too.
quite a bit of space in there, honestly.
Yeah, can we go in there with our clothes? Yeah, let's see if we can fit in there, Nance. So somebody's interested in this house, Anna.
Yeah.
Whether they're in Grande Prairie or not, they're in Canada for sure. How can I get in touch with you?
You can text me. I am really quick at getting back to text.
Guys, only text her if you're interested in the house.
Yes.
No pun intended.
Or if there's something else in town that you're interested in seeing, definitely hit me up. My phone number is 780-933-3954. I'd love to hear from you.
Can you repeat that again? 780?
Yep, 933-3954.
Perfect. And so if you guys don't know, I 100% recommend Anna. If it is that you guys are interested in buying a house in Grande Prairie, not necessarily this one, we have done tons of viewings on our channel and many persons have reached out to us. So as of now, we consider Anna our personal real estate personnel. So
yes, on call.
So we definitely recommend her onto you guys. So all the persons who have been asking us or have been interested, this is your girl. Only reach out to her if you want a house though. Nothing else.
Yeah.
Okay. She's married.
I'm married. I'm off the market. They're gonna leave this gazebo and the storage here.
Yeah, they're gonna leave the storage as well?
Yeah.
They're gonna leave the gazebo?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, they don't have space for where they're going, so they are definitely willing to leave that, which is nice. And these deck tiles are so nice too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's in a good condition too.
Yeah, right? Isn't that nice?
Oh, nice.
And there's the sheddable stage. So there's parking. The parking is in the back, which is nice because the front is
Yeah.
busy. And they plow back there though.
Okay, that's good. This is nice for a summer barbecue. Yeah.
Someone will love it.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah. I love you. Right? I know. Hey, just move it.
Yeah, this doesn't fit.
Let me come and take a look. Oh, at least I got a nice deck.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Hi, are you
Oh, you get the gazebo and the stuff.
Did I get you?
Yeah, I mean, the only thing they need is just a covering.
Covering for what?
Just in case you're having an event and rain is falling. Or snow.
Rain? Well, rain is not an issue here. He's thinking with his Jamaican brain. You mean like snow is falling?
It's pretend rain.
Yeah, it's pretend rain. Yeah, it doesn't really rain.
Yeah, just strange.
Yeah, this is not a bad spot. But I get together. Barbecue.
Yeah. Yes, Malia.
And I would assume this is a good enough space for kids to run up and down.
Exactly. Come here. Help Malia behind us too, bro. And this is such a nice neighborhood too. So again, guys, I got the MLS right here with me. If you guys are interested, the cost is $280 negotiable. Been on the market now for 5 days. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. The master bedroom has in-suite bathroom, full bathroom, sliding shower doors as you guys see. Half bath on the main floor, living room and kitchen. You get stainless steel appliances. Nice.
Marsha's really scared.
Gotcha.
It's a hard test.
So what we didn't mention that we want to mention as well, guys, if you have a property, if you're located in Grande Prairie mostly, Wembley, Claremont, Sexsmith, Hythe, anywhere in and around that area, and you want a realtor who can get that house sold for you, you want to reach out to Anna. Anna will definitely get that house listed for you and take care of all the nitty-gritty,
Oh yeah.
as we call it, right?
Help you through the roller coaster.
Down in the mud, right?
Yeah.
I get it sold. So if it is that you guys have a property that you are thinking of selling and you just don't know where to start, you can probably reach out to Anna as well. Guys, please, you have to be in these areas. So I don't want anyone who's the other side of Canada. Like, hey, I got this property in Newfoundland. Can it get sold from me, right? So reach out to Anna and definitely she'll take care of you guys. But this is a beautiful home. I'm not going to lie. I really like it. And this is going to make a great home for someone. So if you guys are interested in this house, you guys got the phone number. And I'll drop a link to her website underneath this video link as well. You can see all the other properties that is listed. And please be sure that when you reach out to her, say that you got her contact from DiAndersons. All right, guys? Perfect.